Good morning again, guys. Still on the Lancia. So, I'm cleaning out the trunk. Had to double check the wiring. Got all the parts cleaned up. There's all our battery wiring, stuff like that. I still got to put one more panel back in over here. So the back is technically done. I'm keeping the parts back here for storage, for safety, so that there's never a chance of anything happening to them. And I went, okay, well, that's great, but the car's been neglected for a very long time, meaning that it's been sitting. Not that it's been neglected on purpose, anything like that. The owner got very, very sick, and the car's been in our possession, but it's kind of been tucked off in a corner. So the heat's been getting to it for a while, and it needs to be cleaned. And so I'm pulling out the parts, and I'm reconditioning everything. We've got some really, really good leather conditioner. So this will be, it's already starting to get better. Nice and soft and supple. That side's been done. Seat's been cleaned and scrubbed. Back's been cleaned and scrubbed. I mean, you can tell it's been, like I said, boxed up for a while. So I want that to stay down and out of the way so that it'll settle. I got the door panels to do. I've already conditioned the top. I'll probably do that a few more times because the owner wants us to try and address, as you can see here, it's starting to come unglued. But to get it properly, I have to take this up, including the A-pillar, pull it off, re-glue it, pull it, and get it flat. But to do that, this has got to be softer and a little more supple. So yeah, we're gonna have to spend some time on it and get it right. So it's not a big deal. I mean, we can do it, and I'm fine with doing it. But like I said, we've got to get the leather a little more supple. It's been dry for quite a while. I still got to clean up over here. Pull out the last couple of pieces over there that I forgot that we didn't get to yet. Like I said, we're still getting everything set. I'm getting ready to do the wiring harness for the headlights. That one's not involved right now. So we'll get our soldering gun and get everything ready to go, and our heat shrink to get that taken care of. Now we have coil wire, which we haven't ran yet because we need the connector. So we're waiting on still a few more parts. And I have the alternator exciter wire up front now. We resheathed everything. So we'll get some nice little clamps to hold it up out of the way so that it looks good. I pulled this out of the trunk for the full tune-up for wires and stuff like that. And he's got a really, really good set. I actually like these a lot. They're real nice. These can go back in the trunk. So I will finish conditioning the seats and then put them away so that they don't get damaged. And I want to take a look at that hinge because when you close the trunk, this side just doesn't seem to pull down like it's supposed to, and there's nothing in the way. So we'll figure it out. I got some adjusting to do. So we'll get that taken care of for the customer and get back on more wiring again. I think that's all I've been doing for the past few cars is wiring. So now the final touches with the LEDs are going on that one, but whatever, that's not my issue. Today is this one. So we have to do a fan controller, and we're going to make a bracket to hold all of this in place like it's supposed to be. And then get the radiator pulled back. So we'll have to make a bracket that doesn't look stupid and nasty. I want it to look respectable. So, okay, guys. We will keep you informed as we get things done, and we'll let you know. Yeah, I'm holding right now because it's just easier because there's too much to show. But, all right, guys, we'll let you go. Be good, be safe, and bye.